Vas a tirar las... Hostia, vaya tiro. Cuidado con la bici.
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, yam, shimmy, yeah. I'm an old dirty dog all day. No way, Jose. You could only go one way. Ay, mi madre, you should check that out. Maybe you ain't turning out. Maybe it's none of my business. But for now, work it out. Let's get this. Modern day Hugh Hef, yes. Playboy to the death, yes. Is he really worldwide? Yes. Mommy, let me open your treasure chest. Play dates, we play mates, like king and snatching queens. Checkmate, what you think? It's a rumor, I'm really out of this world. Moon, Luna, make women comfortable, call me Bloomer. Can't even show love, cause they'll sue ya. But I tell them hallelujah, have a blessed day. So ahead of myself, every day's yesterday. Want the recipe? It's real simple. A little bit of audience, you're open sesame. Now dance, yes, love. International, so international,
Valentín Amadeo, ¿no?
so international.
Down pretty much all around the world, all around. I don't play baseball, but I hit a home run all around the world, all around. I've been in countries and cities I can't pronounce, and the places on the globe I ain't know existed. In Romania, she booming to the San Antonio pit. You can have me and my sister. In Lebanon, yeah, the women are bomb, and in Greece, you guessed it, the women and they sweet. Been all around the world, but I ain't gon' lie, there's nothing like Miami Heat. You got it. I ain't talking credit cards if you know what I mean. En Cuba, la cosa está dura, but the women get down if you know what I mean. En Colombia, the women got everything done, but they some of the most beautiful women I've ever seen. In Brazil, they freaky with big old booties and they thongs, blue, yellow and green.
¿Qué tuviste ahí en el instituto? Salir de aquí para que venga la ambulancia.
¿Qué pasó?
Un portugués que quiso pasar entonces. Hay que chocarle las manos, chócale las manos a todo el mundo.
La jornada de semana media, equipos aquí, tercero clasificado,
Aquí, Xavi, llámale la atención.
Eres un niño, macho balá. Sin director ni nada. El director non debe dicir. A ver, mira, vos tomar tu risa, coño.
Pues ahí están los dos corredores que tuvieron apoyo del Máster Cinta, Carlos Iván Vilar. Aleo que sube por diante para recoger el trofeo que le corresponde a Borja Calviño. Por corredor de Club Especial de la Fuente que cae en la línea de meta. Ahí está recibiendo además de don Fernando Amato. Alegría de Amadeo que a primera vez parece que recoge un trofeo. En este caso que correspondía a la segunda vez, la primera vez de Caliente. Ahí está recogiendo otro trofeo que le corresponde a Borja Calviño.
Lisiado y con trofeo.